gonna shoot, Rush, you want to shoot away from the light.
I think they're scared of you this time.
Yeah, you
just give him a
except for that one.
Yeah. Oh.
There we go. A what? A knife. What do you want a knife for? Because I'm going to catch one of these. Well, what's good is a knife going to do?
If they try to eat them. If you hit my fence, I will personally scare you. Uh-oh.
Good luck.
He's scared.
What are they all worried about over How are you gonna catch one from up there?
You gotta want it, son. You gotta want it.
Oh, that one. That one. He's got.
He's
his
already
hand
young.
stuck. He's got his hand stuck.
I know. He's
Making it easy on you.
Oh, god dang, man.
This one likes me.
None of us are trying it.
You gotta want it.
What will they do to you?
Freaking biting.
Fell off.
Did he get loose?
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Really hard.
Head stuck. Hi. Just shoot it.
Do you want me to kick his head so he?
I got him.
I did not see it there.
I'm not playing this time. I can't see it.
I know you're looking in the light.
This one, Daddy.
I gotta get this thing back on this one.
Hi.
No, you need to be more specific. You got to do what?
I didn't see him till the very last second.
Somebody can shoot the black one.
Yeah, let's get you over there.
Put it out, Carter. He'll get it for you.
Let me have a knife. I'm
Go,
gonna take care of
Daddy,
that.
go. Go, Daddy, go.
Pick out it. Pick out
We
it.
got him there, Mom.
He's in. He's in. He's in. He's in. He's in.
Oh, but you're gonna lose it.
Yeah, you got to close it. You got to close it.
Oh, you left the door inside.
I know it.
That no rag got his head stuck
What
through
you
the
gonna-
wire, and he
What's your
can't get it out.
plan?
If that thing jumps out, you're gonna have. How are you gonna close it?
All right, I got one.
What are you gonna do with it now that you got it?
Mission accomplished. Carter, is that the one you wanted?
Not really, but it's okay.
Yeah, you didn't let one of them go.
Where did he go?
He didn't go back in the can.
He is gone. You gotta go get another one.
I gotta go get another. Yeah.
But you gotta fix the door.
Go,
I gotta
Daddy.
get the door.
What is it? How does it?
Oh, his head's stuck.
Oh, it's a little.